Hey, it's Ken here with UAV Coach. Welcome back to our Can I Fly My Drone series. This week, we're going to answer the question, can I fly my drone while flying another drone? So let's fly in. Many drones have autonomous features that allow the drone to fly circles around you or follow you, etc. And with the introduction of the new DJI Neo, which allows the drone to fly without a controller linked to the drone, see our previous video about using this feature in the US, we've been getting some questions asking if it's okay to fly one drone while another is flying autonomously. So let's take a look. Not only is it illegal to fly more than one drone at a time, but it's also illegal to be a visual observer of more than one drone at a time. Part 107.35, titled Operation of Multiple Small Unmanned Aircraft, states, a person may not manipulate flight controls or act as a remote pilot in command or visual observer in the operation of more than one unmanned aircraft at the same time. That seems pretty straightforward to me. I've heard the argument that if one drone is flying itself, then technically you're not flying more than one drone at a time. For this response, I'll just tell you what the FAA told me previously. If you dig into most FAA regulations, you'll find some kind of catch-all, don't do dumb stuff provision. I think that sums it up, but if you're still questioning this, here are a few more regulations that you should know. First, 107.19E says that you must have the ability to direct the small unmanned aircraft at all times. And 107.23 says that no person may operate a small unmanned aircraft system in a careless or reckless manner. I think all three of these regulations apply, but again, to quote the FAA, don't do dumb stuff also applies. Now keep in mind that Part 107.35 is a waivable regulation, so if you think that you can demonstrate a way to safely operate more than one drone at a time, you can apply for a waiver to this regulation and possibly get authorization to fly more than one drone at a time. Otherwise, it's not permissible to fly one drone while you have another drone flying in an automated mode. Your pro tip is, if you have the desire or need to fly more than one drone at a time, go to the FAA's Drone Zone website and apply to obtain an operational waiver from Part 107.35. Just make sure you address any safety concerns that the FAA might have and show how you'll mitigate those risks. It's possible to do. Just look at all the drone light shows now. They all have waivers from Part 107.35. Well, that's it for this short video. Let us know in the comments if you have a Can I Fly My Drone question so that we can cover it in a future video. Also hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe and notification buttons to be notified of upcoming content. Thanks for watching, and from all of us here at UAV Coach, we wish you blue skies and safe flying, and we'll see you soon.